Okay guys, let me come back. Now, the other question I get on a regular basis is not just about building a PMO, is what about building an Agile PMO? So I've done that as well. I've developed the Agile PMO. What's that look like and what are the steps on that? Start with a plan, develop a sprint backlog. For building your PMO, yes, you need a sprint backlog for that. Build it, trust me, build one, it's gonna help you in the long run. Attain your executive support. You saw that when you're building any PMO, you have to have executive support. Create your PMO staples. That's critical as well. Select your Agile framework. Are you going to be Scrum? Are you going to be Kanban? Are you going to be Lean, XP? What's the framework you're going to run in your PMO? Select your PMO maturity model. You have to know how mature you are and how you're going to move your PMO forward. Agile, or normal PMO, or marketing PMO, whatever the case might be, how mature are you and how are you going to move forward? Assign your PMO resources. Do you have Scrum Masters? Do you have PMO or product owners? Right? What are the various roles that you're going to need in this PMO? Make sure you get those assigned. Agile training. Is everyone ready for the Agile? Are they all trained up? Are they good to go from an Agile perspective? Select your reporting. In Agile, you're going to need dashboards. You're going to need information radiators. You're going to need a set of reporting. Get that selected as well. Select your tools and processes. Again, Agile comes with a set of tools. Microsoft's got 1 million tools that you're going to want to implement. So get your Agile tools ready, and then finally your PMO is complete. So even building an Agile PMO, you have to have a series of steps and a series of processes, and I strongly suggest you follow these processes when you're building your Agile PMO. You'll see that in the original, and if you've ever seen any of the videos around the 12 steps to building a PMO, again, those tactical steps, I've taken some of these same steps, but I've applied them to Agile. So when you think about really having the Agile and building an Agile PMO, what does that look like? Well, what it looks like is these 10 steps here. So I just wanted to get on real quick. I just wanted to give you a quick video of saying, hey, how do you build an Agile PMO? And I think that's real important. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Subscribe to the channel, but let me know what you think on how you build and what are your steps of building an Agile PMO. Thank you.